I'm Jen, founder of JenGallacher.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a DIY crafter who enjoys making beautiful and colorful craft items. On my channel, as well as on my website, you'll find tutorials, videos, and instructions on how to create crafts that are both easy to make as well as have beautiful results. Whether you are making something for your own home or you desire to create a gift for someone else, these videos and tutorials will help you to do it quickly and easily. Whether you are a scrapbooker who enjoys documenting their memories, or you're looking to create a handmade card for someone you care about, or you are looking to learn more about your silhouette machine so that you can create beautiful DIY crafts, I will offer several suggestions in these videos. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you are notified when new videos are released.